Duolingo has multiple subscription tiers, Plus, Super Duolingo, and the newest Duolingo Max, but with different perks and prices. Which one actually gives you the best value? Let's break it down. So Duolingo Plus is basically the original premium upgrade from earlier years, and in many regions it's now folded into Super Duolingo, meaning Plus and Super offer near identical features. That includes ad-free lessons, unlimited hearts, offline practice, and no interruptions while you learn. The only real change between Plus and Super is the name and interface. Features are the same. It's best for casual learners who want a smooth, stress-free Duolingo experience with no ads and unlimited practice. Super Duolingo is the current standard premium tier. It includes everything Plus has, plus Practice Hub features like better review, streak repair, and unlimited attempts at harder challenges. You still get no ads and unlimited hearts, but now with more personalization in review sessions. Some of its pros: ad-free and uninterrupted learning flow, personalized practice via the Practice Hub, and streak repair and deeper review options. However, it still has no AI tutoring. Feedback is standard Duolingo style and doesn't teach conversation skills beyond drills. It's best for learners who want premium convenience and smarter review without paying maximum price. Great for steady progress. Duolingo Max sits at the top and includes everything Super offers, plus AI-powered features like Explain My Answer, AI roleplay, and video call practice. Essentially, simulated conversations and personalized explanations powered by GPT-4. Explain My Answer breaks down why answers are right or wrong, while roleplay lets you practice real-world dialogue with AI characters. Video calls simulate conversation scenarios to boost speaking confidence. Some of its pros: it has deep grammar and usage explanations, like having a tutor. Real conversation practice with AI characters, and most engaging and personalized tier for advanced learning. However, it's much more expensive than Super. Advanced AI features may only be available for certain languages at first, and some users report features still evolving or inconsistent across devices. It's best for serious learners who want grammar explanations, AI dialogue practice, and a tutor-like experience. The final verdict: choose Duolingo Plus or Super Duolingo if you want ad-free lessons, unlimited practice, offline access, and smarter review without extra cost. It's perfect for most learners and everyday use. Choose Duolingo Max if you're serious about fluency, especially speaking and conversation skills, and you're willing to invest in AI-guided explanations and practice that go beyond regular drills. The bottom line: Super Duolingo gives you the best everyday value for most learners, while Duolingo Max is worth it only if you deeply want AI-powered feedback and real-world conversation practice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.